Hello, my name is Fiemena Courage. I am 9 years old. I'm in class 5, primary school. I love electronics and programming, so I made a smart dustbin. Growing up in a community where they organize conferences and workshops, I had the opportunity to attend one of the workshops organized by Fiemena Education, where I learned Arduino programming and electronics. Then I went on to a summer program called ICT for Kids, where I learned Scratch programming, Python programming, C and C++ programming, electronics, project development, graphics designs, and entrepreneurship. At the end of this program, I presented on road accidents and made a traffic light control system. After this program, I did some projects, and I recently decided to be a smart dustbin. This dustbin was made to reduce the stress of manual opening and closing of dustbin. The materials I use for this dustbin are Arduino Uno, which is a microcontroller I use to control my smart dustbin, a servo motor, which is used for the opening and closing of the dustbin, and an ultrasonic sensor which is detecting there's somebody want to throw inside. I use jumper wires, bamboo, cardboard, and a bucket. This is the servo motor, this is the ultrasonic sensor, the Arduino, the jumper wires, and the battery are inside. The ultrasonic sensor detects the distance of 30 centimeters, which activates the servo motor to open for 150 degrees. How I program it. This is how a smart dustbin works. Some people inspired me are my uncle, who is my mentor, my parents who encouraged me to do more.